start with grade 11 physics, and the topic is from kinematics. It's projectile motion. Let's start. Projectile motion. Suppose let's start with the example first. We are going to deal with it in 2D motion. Fine. See, suppose this is an object. This is an object. Now, if I throw this object and then a certain angle with the horizontal. Now you can take this as a horizontal as x-axis, and if I throw the object in this direction with certain velocity u meter per second with some angle with the horizontal. This is the angle theta. See, if I throw this object in this direction with some velocity u meter per second, it is following this path. This path it has followed. So this is what I have thrown this in this direction with u velocity, but it has followed this path. It is following this path due to what? Gravity effect. Due to the effect of gravity, because gravity is of this planet acting vertically downward. Now, see, I have thrown this object and it has followed this path. Trajectory of this path is nothing but parabola. So trajectory followed is parabolic path, and we have to derive a derivation over here, and we have to see in detail that how it will be moving in 2D motion. Fine. See,